So this is the negative side of having Guineera. So Guineera is the car tire shoes, and I've been walking. Yeah, I've been walking far. I've been walking for around 4 hours today, non-stop. Actually, I started. It's now 5:15. I started about 11:30. So actually, it's almost 6 hours, but 2 hours I've been collecting seeds. So it's very dirty. I'll wash, and then you see the skin. So my feet are now getting to be used to these shoes, and they become so strong. But I'll take care so that they'll not be the feet will not be damaged too much by the feet, only to build stronger skin. And I'll wash them, and they will look very different.